We are closely monitoring the tsunami alert for the California coastline. Northern California is under a warning, while other areas have an advisory. We are closely monitoring the tsunami alert for the California coastline. Northern California is under a warning, while other areas have an advisory.
So guys, do you know what is this? It's very simple way to get traffic from high RPM USA traffic, and who actually need very easy way to earning money from Adsterra from Monitech. This video is a complete series for them. Okay, so in this video we will use Adsterra direct link, we will use Monitech direct link, and we will use free AI video, and in YouTube channel we will get traffic. And you know who need fast money, this method is very working for them. So first you need to go Google Trends and copy first 7 days topic. Okay, this is very important, because you know what, if you chose the wrong topic, I think that will not get the attention of the viewer, and this is organic way, and you know what, you will see the result. It's a complete series. So first copy the title from here, from Google Trends. Your first work is very simple. Copy the title from Google Trends, then come to Gemini Pro. If you don't have a Gemini Pro, I will share a video. Use this method, you will get a Gemini Pro completely free. Okay, then give a prompt in here, make a news based on this. Also make a view 3 prompt. You every day you will do this only for 3 video. Simple method, only every day 5 to 10 minutes work, that's it, and you will get the result in a few days. Okay, so let's go to work. Your title here, a prompt here, and enter button. Okay, after completing the prompt, make a news based on this and give a view 3 prompt and click on enter. That's it. Now your news is ready, and after that now you see a prompt also ready here. So what actually you need to do is very simple. First copy the news from here and then make a view 3 videos by using this prompt. So see, very simple. The first part you need to copy, how a reporter will say the news. Okay, so I will copy the professional looking reporter. This section is very important. You just copy this section from here, not this, only first section. So after copy the first section, you go to the view 3 and paste it in prompt section. Okay, now see, your first work is done. Now what the reporter will say, as you have only 8 seconds, so for that you do not need so many texts here, only the headline will speaking by the reporter. That's it. Your tasks will be very simple, like you need to do what actually reporter will say. That's it. And after that remove this good morning and other thing, you do not need this, only main topic, like reporter will say tsunami warning remains from that topic. Okay, so click on enter. Now your videos will be ready. Now as you can see, everything is ready, and click on the enter button. Your video will be ready. Okay, this full method is completely free of cost, and everything is a simple way, and you will get everything in a simple method. So download this video first. This video already ready with voice, and you don't have to need any other AI for this type of work. So my video is ready. Now go to CapCut. I know everyone phone, every mobile, every computer have CapCut. If you don't have, download it, just use it. It's also free. So click on and take the video in the CapCut and add two tags. Okay, you need only two tags to add in this video, and change the ratio also. So what is actually most important is change the ratio. It's very important. So guys, see how actually I bring traffic from reels, from shorts video, and this is actually very simple way to get this high USA traffic. I will share the video channel also, but I hope if you do exactly what actually I am doing, I can ensure that you will get the same result. Okay, so my first things is done. I just need to paste the headline in the top of the video by text. That's it. So in this section I will paste the headline. Okay, so after that just design not much more than, only just customize the text as simple as possible. Do not need any much design in here. Okay, so now you need to add another text in the bottom line. The text will be written like full details in comment, like this type of any text you can paste in the bottom line here, and details in comment. Okay, then everything is now complete. After that your video need to export. So give a title and export the video. It's very easy and it will take only 5 seconds to export this video. See, almost ready. After export, just save this video and I will tell you what to do next. Okay, now cancel it. Your video is now ready. Now go to Blogger, open a new blog with a new name. Okay, open a new blog with a new name and paste the link in this. Paste the text, full news text in here without the video prompt. Copy the full news from here. Okay, then paste it in the Blogger. If you don't understand my voice, you can mute my voice and just do actually what I am doing. That's it. Okay, so say just giving a title. Now there you need a technical work, and that's it, very simple. You need to do some work like add banner code from Adsterra. I will share you actually how much code you need to add. So you need first banner code to add in there, and copy the banner code, and in HTML view mode. Okay, in HTML view mode, then in here you can add this code and just repeat, copy paste here. That's it. So what do you actually do? See, I just break a line and I make a space here and paste repeatedly the banner code in here. Done. My first ad is done. Now I need $10 script, which is actually very useful. You can use this script in single script. You will use Monitech direct link, Adsterra direct link, every direct link you can add in one script and it will work like magic. Okay, first copy the script and paste it in the blog anywhere, like in the blog in the HTML view mode, paste it in anywhere. Okay, so now what actually you need to do is you must have a Monitech account, generate some direct link and paste in here. See, I am using Adsterra direct link in here, I am using Monitech direct link in here, and that's it. It's very simple and you just need to paste it in here. Okay, after that you now everything okay, just give the time 14,000. you must change the time to 14,000. It's very important. Don't forget to change the timing. Okay, confirm it and publish it. Now my second work is done. AI video and blog. My full setup is complete. Now go to YouTube and make a new channel within a second. It will take only 1 minute. Okay, to go to YouTube and make a channel. See, automatically Monitech direct link is working here. Like that, Adsterra direct link also will work in here. So first you need to go in YouTube, switch account, click on switch account and view all account, view all channel. Okay, then click on create channel and give a name in here. That's it. So after that you will give a proper name like USA top news or USA top news live update. That's kind of you can do. And after that you just give a profile pic in here and give a proper name also. I am using this name. You do not use same as mine, you use another name. Okay, I hope you understand. And this is a complete channel I am making now. I will give a USA logo in here. You can use licensable or free of cost in from Google and upload this in here as a profile of the YouTube channel. So see, everything is now complete. Your YouTube channel ready within a minute. That's it. Now what you will do is upload the video. This is the last step and you will see the magic within some days. That actually how useful that is. Okay, and if you can upload consistently every day 3 video, this is actually a magic you will see in your traffic link. Okay, so say what actually I am doing. I am just uploading the video which I have generated by AI in here. That's it. I am just uploading it. Okay, I just uploaded in here. Now give the description from AI. This news copy, paste in description section, copy the first line and paste in the title section. Same go to the AI and tell give you 500 keywords, 500 character keywords. You can get it from the Gemini Pro. Give me 500 character give me 500 character keyword. The Gemini will give you the 500 character. If it's over 500 you can remove it very simply by using cross. Okay, that's it. And now publish the whole video. You do not even make a thumbnail here. It's very simple. And this is actually how you can earn from a reels, from a shorts. So just click on public and make it publish in here. So see what actually I have done. It's very simple and it's very easy. Everything is perfectly workable. And now another work you need to do is add a comment in your add a comment in your video. Okay, that's it. And you will see that how actually this will work. Okay, in comment section add the link, the news you have generated, copy that and paste it in here. That's it. You just completed a whole process and you need to do it repeatedly. Even you do not need to make every new YouTube channel, but What you can do, only generate 3 videos from.
We are closely monitoring the tsunami alert for the California coastline. Northern California is under a warning, while other areas have an advisory.
You can see is completely ready, and you're earning like Monitag, Adsterra, $10 keep and YouTube, and the earning. If you work, you can make this system for you. I hope it will help you and you will do this. Also, I can recommend that you can use so many topics. I just use news because it's working very perfectly. Thank you guys. Bye.